So this is my portaband stand. I made this a few years ago and it's worked out pretty well. I haven't had any issues with it at all. I made one design mistake, but it doesn't really matter. I'll show you that in a second. But basically, it's a very simple one. There's only one bolt that holds it on. That's right here. Take that out. You take the table off. Machine's loose. So the design for this came from another YouTuber called Outsidescrewball. And in a second I'll show you a piece that makes this whole thing work. But basically, you got just a rectangle frame. It's a couple of braces in here. It doesn't really matter where you put them, as long as you got space for when you set your machine down and find the flat spot where it sits upright, like so. And then basically I just held the pieces there, tacked them on, made sure we were still standing up straight. And then the piece that makes the whole thing work is the upright. And it goes in to a small adapter piece, which came from Outsidescrewball. Thank you very much, sir. He sent this to me after I asked him about it. He made these, from what I understand. And let me take it out and show it to you. Okay, this is the way this all works normally. There's a handle here that goes in this slot. The piece that Outsidescrewball made is this piece. It goes between the handle and the case, like so. And you notice it's threaded on this side. That's so you can put a bolt through your upright and it screws on there. And that holds the whole thing up. It's very simple design. Of course, now you've got to manufacture this, which he did very well. And again, I will repeat, he sent that to me free. Very nice guy. Never met him in real life, but I hear he's a really nice guy. He's got a cool dog. So you just put the bolt back in, tighten it down. Let me swing you around. So put the screw in. I got a little washer here and a spacer that makes sure I get it exactly the same every time. Hold that all in there. Screw it on. Tighten it up. That holds the upright very solid. Now you'll notice it hits this place the same every time, so there's no way it can be in a different spot, and you cannot pull it out of there. You can twist, you got a little bit of give on there, but you don't ever feel that. The hole up top is to keep the Allen nut, so I can have it at hand to take off that screw, so it comes out really quick. But honestly, I don't really use it out of that much. Table is just a piece of, it's real thin actually, but I put some bracing on the back of it. It's just a piece of stainless steel that I had around. Just cut a slot in it. You can see that there's an adjustment nut or screw here. Just push the table past the blade, drop it down, and tighten it down. Here's the mistake I made. And it's not really a mistake. I thought when I made this that if I had the table nice and high like that, that would be a better cut for thin stuff and whatnot. It's not. It doesn't turn out that way. The way the blade moves in there, it's really better just to have it flat down as close to the bottom one as possible. I don't really find that there's much advantage in having your table adjustable like that. You might feel differently. But anyway, that's my setup. When I'm in the shop, I use it every day. Sometimes for an hour, sometimes for 5 seconds. Depends on what I have to cut. Thank you, Outside Screwball, and thanks for watching.